Today we are going to show you a battery tester. Technology design appearance, compact and portable, ideal for carrying and use. No power supply required for use. We will use these batteries to test the performance of the product. You can see that the 15V battery is fully charged. Let's check again with a multimeter. The test results show that it is around 15V. The values are not much different. Let's check it again with a dead AA battery. The result shows that there is no electricity. Let's take a look at the multimeter. The test result is 001V, indicating no electricity. Let's check it again with a 9V battery. Notice that the detection port is here. The detector indicates that the battery is fully charged. Let's try again with a multimeter. It can be seen that this detector is still very good. It can also detect C batteries. D battery. Button cell. Fast and accurate measurement, power at a glance.